Some people just seem to know when, what, and how to teach science without breaking a sweat. They're well prepared. Their lessons are creative and contain hands-on activities. Some of them have been teaching for several years, but what about those who haven't been? You can achieve this, and you can get there fast. Hi, I'm Jackie Grundberg, founder of Backpack Sciences. I am a former wildlife biologist with over 22 years of teaching experience. Teaching science can be difficult because it's ever-changing and experiments can be complex. As an educator bringing science and Montessori philosophy to children and adults for over 22 years, I'm excited for you to join me as I guide you to feeling confident and well prepared. Teaching science does not have to be a struggle. Imagine having direct access to a professional science educator. Teachers and parents scour the internet for different lesson plans, some free, some paid. How do you know how it all fits together? What if the provided activity is of zero interest to the child? I created Backpack Sciences to provide lessons and activities that include science, art, history, geography, writing, research, math, technology, engineering, speech, and more. It is my core belief that we need to connect with our children and focus on their interests by including experiential learning with a hands-on approach. They will have so much more fun. Seeing our children having a blast while learning science is an amazing feeling. Let's make it happen consistently every month with very little work from you. Let's take the heavy weight off of your shoulders. Spend your time elsewhere. This can be focusing on other curriculums, other children or students, your family, friends, and most importantly, you. Backpack Sciences helps you overcome the overwhelm. So check out our website for membership details and prices.